Yeah. Look. I understand, okay? I understand. I get it. But that's not why I brought you here today. It's really not. I didn't bring you here today to get into all that yik yakking and jaw jacking. All right. Now look, please let me get off my chest what I need to get off my chest. You know what? Nah, man. I'm just gonna get right into it. Quite frankly, I think it's just time for us to go our separate ways. 6.5 years. Yeah, I know it's been 6.5 years. You don't think I know? I've been right here in this relationship with you. You know what I'm saying, though? I've been dealing with your loud ass for 6.5 years, man. You know, at first, when we first got together and you was ringing all in my ear and shit, I'm just trying to play video games, you screaming at me, loud as a motherfucker. You know what? I put up with it then. I did. I put up with it then. But I'm getting sick and tired of it now. As a matter of fact, I'm beyond tired of it now. Look, I think we've had some great moments together. There's no denying that. I think the stuff that you and I have done together has been groundbreaking. I mean, we've played some legendary games together. That's real talk. But quite frankly, I met someone else. There. I'm just gonna say it. I've met someone else. Yeah, look, I understand, okay? I understand. This wasn't the best way to go about it. But you don't think I've tried? You don't think I've tried different ways? Shit, I've tried putting you in a different room. I can still hear you. I can't do it no more. Plus, man, you know, I'm a man. I have needs. You know what I'm saying, though? And quite frankly, you ain't even putting out like they putting out now. You know what I'm saying? You putting out 30. The new one's putting out 60. You can never. You won't never. And the thing I've always asked you to do? Yeah, that thing. She does it all the time. She does it all the time. I don't even gotta ask her. She just does it. She knows I like it. What you ever do for me like that? You ain't do nothing for me like that. You was behind the times when I got with your ass. I can't do it. I can't do it. Plus, she leaves me easy access to get to her internal hard drive. Yeah, the internal hard drive. We just get right in. Easy. What you got? You make it hard as a motherfucker to get to your hard drive. Oh, okay. Now you gonna let me get to the hard drive? Nah. Nah. Look at you. You dusty. Motherfucker, you're loud. You don't even accept this like you used to. I've had to take you apart just to get them out. I can't do it no more. But I wanted to come to you like a man and tell you head up, because I could have, you know what I'm saying? No, I could have just shut you off. I could have sent you a message over the fucking PlayStation Network. But instead, what did I do? I come to you like a man and I'm telling you straight up, in person. We need to go our separate ways. I ain't gonna get rid of you. I'm gonna let you stay right here. You know what I'm saying? Especially till I get the transfer done. I gotta get the transfer done. She ain't even accepting transfers right now. But when she does, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Only time will tell. But I'm always gonna have love for you. I'm always gonna love for you. I ain't never gonna forget what we've been through. But it's time to move on. And you standing right next to her. Yeah, this her. Oh, she big, huh? Yeah, well, so was she big? I don't care. Big, too big for who? For you? For them? She's perfect for me. Yeah. And she even turns on like I like her to. You know what I'm saying? Oh, there she go. Oh, there she go. Oh, man. All right, man. Look, y'all. Hold up. Oh, my goodness. Like, I want to start this video so formal, man, but I don't even know how to, I don't even know how to go about it right now, bro. First of all, welcome back to Gamers Got Game. I'm your boy, Dre, and yes, this is the best angle I could get. I don't know what else to tell you, because if you want to see my pretty face, Then I gotta point the camera up, and then you can't see down chill. You know what I'm saying? Like, you still see the box in the background, bro. Yeah. Oh man. Anyway, how y'all doing? As you can see, yes, your boy done got his hands on the PS5. We got the one with the disc drive, you know, so we got the standard edition, cause as unpopular as it seems to be lately, I still play disc games, so it is what it is. You know what I mean? Man, I don't even know what to say, bro. Obviously, I know you guys have already seen a bunch of unboxing videos, so you know that's nothing new. We've seen all kinds of shit on the PS5, man. Yeah, I tried to get my geeking out. I tried to get it all out before this video so I can get right into it. It's just hard, man. Well, first of all, y'all don't know a lot about me anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and spill you in on something real quick. I'm still playing on the original PS4 I got about 6.5 years ago. It's the original PS4. I never upgraded to a PS4 Pro. And I was gonna do it this year. I was gonna upgrade to a PS4 Pro this year, and then they announced that these bad boys was getting released. And I decided to take that money, add to it a little bit, and get what y'all see right here in front of y'all right now. This one right here. Why not? You know what I'm saying? So for anyone who's played on PC, because I feel like a lot of people are nitpicking some shit, but I feel like a lot of people have already played on PC before. And, you know, so this might not be like super groundbreaking tech. Maybe even a PS4 Pro, which this is way more powerful than that, but I'm just saying. But for me, man, and anyone that's been playing on that standard PS4 for all these years, yeah, bruh, this is a big fucking deal. Anyway, let's get into it, man. Let me get something to open this shit. Oh my goodness. How y'all doing, man? All right, the audio might be all over the place. I'm not sure, man. Like I said, this is not a normal setup for a video, right? So, I'm trying my best here. Y'all ain't gonna see me slice that open. Yeah, I mean, I know, like, how do we know this is fresh unboxing? Dude, believe it or not, bro. Whatever. Hold on, let me get this. I'm messing up the towel. Like I say, this is the best angle I could get, y'all. Turn that down a little bit. It was a little washed out, the shit, man. This ain't gonna be a perfect video. To be honest with you, I just want to get into this thing. I don't even want to put that much time into the unboxing, to be honest with you. Okay, I think it goes... Interesting. So what is the back of the box? Is the top of this box? Oh shit, I'm gonna rip the box. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh wait. Damn, yeah, this is some big piece of tech here. What the fuck? I know some people like probably put this on the floor first. Like I said, man, I've never done like an unboxing video, especially like this. I think I did one for my Elgato capture card, but yeah, bruh, nothing like this. Oh, man. This is amazing. Now, I don't care what anybody says, man. All the reviews talking about, oh, it does this bad, or this isn't... I don't fucking... Whatever, dude. I don't care. I'm assuming this is going to be the top of the fucking system. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. What is this? Oh, shit. Okay, hold on. Let me set this up so y'all can see. So I just pulled this box out. It was stuffed in there on the top like that. Let's see what we got up in here. Oh, shit. Can y'all see that? Just the goodies. Yeah, I mean. Oh, is that the controller? Is that the... Oh, hold up. That's the DualSense right there, dog. I can't wait to touch that shit. Oh, man. This video is kind of washed out. Oh, it just fell out. Oh, my goodness. It's all good. You know how many times I'm gonna drop this controller, bro? That was washed out. I don't know what else to... Yeah, I don't know. So is that better? Or is that not good lighting now? Okay. I'm just gonna go like that. All right. Whew. Look at this. We about to pull it out. Oh my God. Hold on. Nice and slow. Oh my dude. Hold on. Am I getting hands on this right now? Off the rip, I can see it's heavier. It's heavier than the DualSense 4. I know we've heard that already. But yeah, off the rip, that's what I'm getting. I'm getting it's heavier. Let me go ahead and put a hand up in there. It's cold. It's cold. Oh my God, it's cold. It's cold out here in my state too, though. So, oh shit. There it is, y'all. The motherfucking DualSense. Oh my God. I know some people wanted to do this last, but I can't. I haven't been able to wait to touch this fucking controller, man. I've been. Oh, that feels nice, bruh. That feels nice. You know what, man? People were worried that this controller was gonna be too big. This controller, in my hands anyway, like I have decent sized hands. They're not monster hands, but it's a little small. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. This controller is a little small for my hands. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I thought this controller was gonna be huge. Nah, man, it's like a little small if you honestly ask me. I can't put it all the way in my palms. I gotta like hold it out some. Interesting. Yeah. Oh man. Yeah, this paddle is very compact. Oh man. Off the rip, the joysticks are very light. Like way more grippy than the well, obviously the DualShock 2 and the DualShock 3s were the fucking Jesus Christ. They didn't even have divots. At least the DualShock 4 has a divot in it. But even with the divot, it's still, my hand would slip out sometimes. These are way more grippy, bro. These are way more grippy. The analog sticks are a little more loose, I guess, but they're smooth. Oh, let's get the buttons. Let's press some of these buttons, bro. Oh man, okay. So some people were saying their D-pad was a little jacked, but I'm not feeling that on this. I'm not feeling a messed up D-pad. This feels nice. Oh man, these oh, the triggers, dog. So the triggers still have a little bit of a dip in them. Like they're still little shaped like that little bit of that moon shape, but they're not as pointy as the DualSense 4 or the DualShock 4. My bad. The DualSense isn't as pointy right there, bro. Oh, the touchpad definitely feels different. Yeah, they got rid of that light bar in the front, so it just lights up on the sides now. I haven't done that yet, obviously, but it's got the little mic right here. Turns out, man, this mic picks up audio real well, so you'll have to balance it between your TV sound and you talking, but other than that, I heard it picks up audio real nice. It's got the PS button right here. It's just the actual logo. I like the two-tone color. I only got one controller because I'll definitely end up buying a new one down the road. I just didn't see the need for it right now. And then it's got the little logos at the bottom, of course, we know. All right, man, oh man, these buttons feel nice, y'all. They feel nice. The triggers feel real good. I know I'm not even feeling no, like, I'm not even getting the haptic feedback, obviously, because I'm not playing a game or anything, but just as a stock controller, dog, this feels nice. It's compact, though. That's the one thing you're gonna understand. Man, yeah, it's definitely compact. It doesn't fit in my hands, I guess, as good as the DualSense or the DualShock 4, but I like that because when I play games, I tend to, especially if I play like COD or something, I tend to tense up on the motherfucker real tight, you know, and then my hands hurt at the end of a match. So with this one, I can't grip it like I can that one, so we'll see what happens, man. I don't see myself tensing up as much on this one, and even if I do, it probably won't hurt my hands. I like the way this feels, bro. But it's new, so I'm in the honeymoon phase still, so we'll see what happens. But god damn, these buttons are nice. This is clean. I don't know what the color scheme's gonna be for games now, considering they're just fucking clear buttons. So I don't know, because you know how like X is blue, and then you got triangle green, and so on, but I don't know now. Yeah, and then it's just the share button, and then the options button's named something else, I think now, but, oh man. Yeah, USB-C port in the front. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not sorry. I'm geeking out right now. What do you want from me? This is day 2 that the console's out, son. My shipping got delayed, but it's all good. Yeah, it's so I'm feeling them right now because I got my DualShock 4 right here. Already, man, I like the shape of this one better. Yeah. I know this looks like a boomerang, guys, in the camera. I know it looks like a boomerang in the camera, but I promise you, this motherfucker in person is way prettier and it's way more square. Like this is way more square in person, and it's nice. I was worried about the boomerang look, but nah, son. This is oh motherfucker, yeah. I like that. Okay. Oh man. All right. let me put that Where am I gonna put that at? Maybe right here. All right, and then we got our HDMI cable. That's what this is. Is this just the HDMI 2.0 that it comes with? Which is fine, because I ain't got the ports otherwise for my TV. So, yep, HDMI cable. Gonna come with one of those. Pretty standard for the most part, but god damn it, dude, I'm excited right now, bro. I'm trying to get through this because I want to play it, you know what I'm saying? This is already 12 minutes, bro. We're gonna hurry this shit up. We got the stand. You know, y'all have already seen, if you haven't seen a review or an unboxing of this yet, I don't know where the hell you been, bro. Where have you been? Yeah, we got the stand, just a little plastic. But yeah, man, I don't know which way I'm gonna put this damn thing yet. I like horizontal just because the, I don't know, motherfucker falling all over the place, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Let me put this towel back normal. All right, y'all ready for this? Oh my god! I'm gonna pull it by the cardboard. Come on, baby. Bring your ass out there. There we go. And what a big booty it is. All right. Alright, everybody, so some people say that this thing is way bigger than they even can imagine it, even within the pictures, right? Can't even word that right. Then some people say it's not as big as it seemed in the pictures. So we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out real quick, bro. Oh my gosh. It's fucking heavy. I'll tell you that much, bro. Alright. It's not a very light console, if I had to say. And then it's like when you're pulling it out, you're like, you don't know what if it's the top or if it's the fucking bottom. Oh man, this is gonna get real bright in this camera. Let me see. All right. Yeah, it's like I tried to do something to wash. Oh my god. Yo! Is this her? Has she finally arrived? Oh my goodness. Like I said, man, there's gonna be better camera angles from other people's videos, man, because we just weren't ready. I'm not prepared for this right now. But I just, you know what I'm saying? I just ain't, I wouldn't, oh my god, man. Yeah, that's definitely, it feels like carrying like a fucking, like, if you was carrying like a space, like, ship part. Like, you know what I'm saying, though? They said, give me the defibrillator. You just hand them this motherfucker right here and go pull it out. Oh, man. Oh, man. Bro, I don't even know what to say. People are just fucking picking this thing up and just moving it all around and shit. Fuck that. I ain't doing that. Oh, shit. So, let me see. I don't even want to move this around too much. I'm scared. I'm fucking scared. Oh, my God. It intimidates me. So, there is a... You can't even see the shit. God damn it. Hold on. I really... Didn't I say I didn't want to move this motherfucker too much? So, anyway, look at this. There is that PlayStation logo right there. That's actually like a cut in. So, it's like, it's etched out. That's pretty dope. I thought it was just like a logo. Oh, man. Well, look, y'all. Here she is right here. Here she goes right here. I don't give a fuck what anybody says. Oh, my God, it's so ugly. Oh, my God, it's fucking ugly. Well, guess what? You might be too. So, fucking relax, all right? Peep this shit, son. In the back. God damn. Yo, it feels next gen, man. What the fuck's wrong with y'all? This motherfucker feels next gen. This feels like the future, bro. Hey. Y'all can barely see me. I'm up in here now. What it is. Just so y'all can be like, that wasn't even you, gamers. Yeah, it was, motherfucker. It's me. Look, this has been Gamers Got Game. I'm about to get in on some of this motherfucking... This could be a thumbnail. I'm about to get in on this PS5 next gen. Y'all stay easy, and I appreciate y'all motherfuckers for checking me out. Peace.